everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my nighttime skincare routine with you all. I actually have three different ones. I rotate between them depending on what my skin needs, but tonight I'll be sharing one of those routines with you. The one I actually usually do when I want to treat my whiteheads and giving my skin some extra hydration. Now, step one is a cleanser. I've already cleansed my face with the Roche Posay cleanser. It's gentle, effective, and it preps my skin perfectly for the rest of my routine. Step 2 is peeling solution, and next I am using is the ordinary peeling solution. I don't use this all over my face, only on my chin where I get stubborn whiteheads. I leave it on for about 10 minutes. While it's sitting, I usually change into my night suit and brush out my hair. Now, one thing I really want to tell you guys is when you apply the peeling solution, it just irritates your skin, like having a burning sensation. So just don't worry about it. It means that the solution is working in your skin. Okay, so don't worry about it. Once the 10 minutes are up, I wash it off completely. Now you guys can see I've completely changed and I'm brushing my hair. Now a quick note, I don't use this every day. This step is a part of one of my 3 routines, so it's more of an occasional treatment, so don't use it on every day. Now third is after washing this peeling solution, I am going to be using a hyaluronic acid. You can use the same cleanser or you can use like just water to wash off the peeling solution. After washing, I'm going to be using a hyaluronic acid, and the one that I like is from the Ordinary hyaluronic acid. I will be applying it all over my face and neck. This locks in hydration and helps my skin bounce back after exfoliation. I use this little handed fan to have the product fully get absorbed into my skin because I don't like to start layering products while my face is still wet, so that's how I like to process. Now let's move on to the next step, is the fourth step, that is using advanced Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum, and it's absolute one of my favorite product. I've been using this one for a while and I love the results. I apply it all over my face and neck and then let it dry and really sink it into my skin. I use this Night Repair Serum very often, like I think on all my different nighttime routines, so absolutely love this one. Next come up is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Eye Cream, and I just applied under my eyes. It works wonders for hydration and keeping the area bright and smooth, so I like to use this eye cream. Next is the moisturizer. So now for hydration, I go in with La Roche Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. I use it all over my face, and this is included on all of my skincare routines, both morning and night. Apply it all over my face and on my neck, and if I have a little extra time, I'll massage in it with my fingers to boost blood circulation and help it absorb even better. And yes, I sometimes use my fan again here to make sure everything settles nicely into the skin. Next is the sleeping mask. For extra boost of hydration, I love applying the Laneige water sleeping mask. This hydrates, brightens and softens my skin overnight. It's a sleeping mask, so you don't rinse it off, you just sleep with it on, and in the morning your skin feels plump and super hydrated. This step is optional, but I personally love doing this. Now next is the lip care, and finally no routine is complete without lip care. So I finish with the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It keeps my lips soft and hydrated through the night, and that's it. Sometimes I'll run my fan one last time to help all the products soak in before I head to bed. My nighttime skincare routine pretty much, you guys, for today. Again, I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy all these products that I have used here. I'm just sharing what works best for me, as I have a oily to combination skin. I hope you enjoy spending the nighttime routine with me. Don't forget to like this video if you found this helpful, and subscribe if you'd like to see my other 2 nighttime skincare routines in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Good night, guys. Take care and bye.